This is part 2 of bookmarks and references. Again, you should be looking at a MS Word document, and I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark and then reference that bookmark. So let's start with some setup actually that you've got to do the first time you do this. Go to File and then Options and then Customize Ribbon. And this developer box needs to be checked, and then click OK. Now you will see, let me go back to full screen here. You will see there's a developer tab here. So you can go to that developer tab. And the way you create, it's kind of it's not a prominent thing, unfortunately, but under the Control tab, there's this thing called Legacy Controls, and there's a little arrow next to it. Click on that arrow and click on the AB. It's called Text Form Field. When you click on that, you get this little box. This is kind of familiar looking box. Unfortunately, I put it in the wrong place, so let me do it this way. Let me highlight this and click on Legacy Tools. And now you'll see that it's created this little box. I had highlighted Party 1 and it didn't accept that information, but we'll just create it again. So we double click on that. The default text I'm going to call Party 1. We might have a note to drafter or something else there, and then we'll have to give this a name. So let's call it Party 1. Okay, that's done, and then we'll just create Party 2. Highlight that, go back up here, Legacy Tools AB, back down here. Party 2 is what we want up here in the grayed out area, and we'll call this Bookmark Party 2. So we've now gone and created a couple of bookmarks. Now the real useful part of this is when we have some text, and then we have our blank for the reference, some more text, the reference, etc. So let's say we want to put this reference in where the cursor is. So that's a little bit easier. We go to Insert, Cross-Reference. You'll see this dialog box here. And the reference type in this case is a bookmark. So when we click on bookmark, we see our two bookmarks. This was the bookmark for Party 1. I'm going to insert it. And then I can go here without closing the window even and insert my bookmark for Party 2. Gotta fix my spacing. And now we're done. So now to test this, let's go and change Party 1's default text to Gulu, and Party 2's text we will change to Nazanin. Now you'll notice again it did not update, but I'm going to hit Control A, highlight the whole document, F9, and now it's updated. So we could have a form where the names of the parties appear in dozens of places, and it will automatically populate. So I think this is extremely useful, and I'm really excited to get this integrated into some of our documents. There's a lot more functionality, so stay tuned, more to come.